Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 16. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. Now, if you just found this video and want to do it on its own, that is perfectly fine. However, if you want to join us for the full challenge, I will link everything down below. Today we are starting in thread the needle, so make your way into tabletop position, so on all fours. Knees under the hips, wrists under the shoulders. And then we're just going to thread our right arm underneath the left, bringing the right side of the head down to the mat. Recenter your hips if they perhaps got a bit tilted to the side. And then extend the left arm out in front of you, creating length through your back line. Just allow yourself to settle here, breathing nice and deep in this beautiful twist. Begin to bring your left arm back in, press into the palm, lift yourself back up into tabletop. Recenter yourself here. And we'll just do the same on the other side. So this time the left threads underneath the right. Bring the left side of your head down to your mat. Recenter your hips if they got carried away a bit, and extend the right arm long. And again, allow yourself to settle here. Nice deep breaths and enjoy. Deepen your breath. Bring the right arm back in and gently press yourself up, back into tabletop. Just take a second here. You can do some nice spinal movements if that feels good to you. Maybe just left to right, or some cat and cows. And when you're ready, press back into child's pose, so big toes together, knees apart, and melt your chest down to the mat. Begin to deepen your breath. And in your own time, roll yourself back up. Take a moment once you arrive at the top, just breathing nice and deep. And when you're ready, make your way into Savasana. Extend your legs long and let the feet flop to the sides. Bring your arms down by your sides with the palms facing up. Shoulders are moving away from your ears, nice and relaxed, and the back of the neck is long. And then just let yourself settle against the floor, grounding deeper and deeper into the earth, as if you were growing roots and receiving nourishment through them. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come into any seated position that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, connect with the day that you've had. And then just ask yourself, what is one thing, just one thing, that you can appreciate today, have gratitude for, maybe celebrate, or be proud of? Just connect with one thing that evokes those emotions within you, and then allow them to amplify with every breath that we'll take together in silence right now. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.